So, doing a video of my Atoto radio and my 2001 bagged behrman prelude, Athena. Got this radio dirt cheap, actually, pretty new. It's about $140. I did get the Bluetooth add-on. Well, not Bluetooth. I got the reverse camera add-on and the OBD2 scanner add-on. To say the least, I love this radio. The quality isn't just there, but that's probably also because of price. I did go for an $800 Kenwood unit, which made my speaker sound phenomenal, but I can deal with this one because I like the usability with this one more. But here's the radio stations. It does have a cool function right there. If you click it, it'll search every station in your area, so it's good for going to like new areas, especially when you're in car shows. Go to new areas that don't know the stations. So if you go to a home, it's basically like an Android tablet, to say the least. You have your options, which you can go through all the apps. You actually got the top, slide down, you got the settings, you can change the brightness, stuff like that. I'm leaving the brightness dim for you guys to see though. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is the sound adjustments. It's not much to it. All you guys equal adjust, which lets you do this, but you cannot control each speaker section separately, so it doesn't sound just right to me. But with the home page, I do love this radio. It has Google Maps. If you have hotspot on your phone, you're able to put it straight to it. You can add Wi-Fi to the radio, but then I don't want to pay that. But right now it's connected to the house Wi-Fi. And then it has Bluetooth and stuff like that. YouTube, I do have it hooked up with my Demon Eye app. The applications for like my Demon Eyes and my Air Ride do act a little sluggish, but they're not that bad. It's good still to be having on the radio. So I can go here and change the color and whatnot. And then my favorite part, I have my Air Ride installed on it. So once it syncs, I'm able to control the car or my radio itself now, which is amazing. Here in a second. So here's my preset. So I'm gonna do the top preset. I'll go wide for you guys to see. And then I'm going to air back out. Yeah. It does have the OBD2 scanner, so I can go here. It can read like code, stuff like that, so if I search, but it's obviously not connected right now. But once it is connected, it'll show gauges. You can go here and like see everything specifically. It's pretty cool. Okay. And here's the reverse camera. See if I can do this with one hand. Pretty clear, for sure. I do need to aim the camera down some due to my bumper being low. I want to make sure I'm not going to mess up that behrman rear bumper. But really good quality. Here's outside the car what the reverse camera looks like. Surprised it held on with just 3M tape on the back of my Athena custom plate thing. Not bad, but like I said, I just need to aim it down, which I'm about to do. Yeah.